Ito po ang D-tape machine dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Araw-araw naman namin itong nagagamit na may 59 meters kaming nairan dito for this week. Ito po ang heads, cupping, head clean, linis wiper after cleaning, nozzle check, ang ink system namin ay tama lang, with ink narinis every Friday, ground wire. Ito po is ang used ink, unused ink, film. Ito naman po ang nairan namin for this week. Stock management, weekly consumption, sayan, cleaning solution, black, yellow, 30 cm film, white ink, powder, magenta, daily checklist,